Spaghetti Bolognese. It's a beautiful dish, and it all starts with a sofrito. Sofrito is kind of like an Italian mirepoix, or it's celery, onions, and carrots. And you're gonna take and with a generous amount of oil, then toss in your sofrito. Sweat that down and get it nice and tender. Then you're gonna take and reserve that and save it for later. I'm grinding my own meat today, but you don't have to. I'm using a pound of short rib and a pound of ground pork. Some people use veal or other kinds. I stick to these two because that's what I prefer. Put it in that same pot and cook that down. Then add white wine. You're gonna cook this until almost all the wine is evaporated and it doesn't smell like alcohol. Then you're gonna add milk and repeat the process, reducing that. And then add in your sofrito. Then go ahead and add in crushed or chopped tomatoes. Just use really good ones. Followed by bay leaves and rosemary. Then grate in some nutmeg, salt, and pepper. Don't over salt it because you're going to season to taste at the end. Then toss in some red wine vinegar. And you're going to let this simmer for about 4 hours. If it gets too dry, add a little bit of chicken stock. But you want it to be thick. Stir occasionally for that 4 hours, and then you have yourself a nice Bolognese sauce. I'm using spaghetti, but you can use pappardelle. That's probably preferred. I just prefer the texture and the nostalgia around spaghetti. But there's no wrong in cooking, so if somebody tells you you're wrong, tell them to get lost. Yeah. Then go ahead and toss some Bolognese sauce in a pan with your noodles straight from the water. You're gonna wanna toss that and then toss some extra pasta water in it. The starch is in the water and it just does magic. You're gonna wanna cook this so everything melds together and then you're ready to plate. Plate it up however you want. Try the twisty fork method that everybody does. I top mine with a little extra sauce. Parmigiano Reggiano, and an olive oil of your choice. This is just to season it. You don't have to do this. It's like salt for Italians, kind of. This is spaghetti bolognese. It's super delicious, a classic, and my uncle used to make a version of this, and it's just out of this world. This one is super delicious. It's real good.